India's Prayag Kumbh Mela is regarded as the world's largest religious festival. In 2001, Dennis Tito became the first space tourist, beginning the era of the commercial spaceflight. Entrepreneurs such as the Elon Musk and Richard Branson are working toward commercial space exploration, colonization, and the tourism in China and India have made substantial strides in their space program. On January 3, 2019, China landed a robotic spacecraft on the far side of the moon, the first to do so. Culture and politics. War and the most kind of the crime and violence had declined considerably compared to the 20th century. Such a period of the relative peace between the major power has not been documented in some house history since the Roman Empire. Malnourishment and poverty are still widespread globally, but fewer people live in the most extreme famous of the poverty relative to the recorded history. In 1990s, approximately 1 in 4 people were malnourished, and nearly 36% of the world's population lived in the extremely poverty. By 2015, these numbers had dropped to approximately 1 in 8 and 10% respectively. This Facebook Cambridge Analytica data scandal drew international attention to the possible negative effects of the social media in influencing citizens' views, particularly with regard to the 2016 United States presidential election. Publication, population and urbanization. The world population was about 6.1 billion at the start of the 21st century and reached 7.7 billion by January 2019. It is estimated to reach about 8.6 billion by the year 2030 and 9.8 billion by the year 2015, according to the United Nations World Urbanization Prospect. 60% of the world human population is projected to live in megacities and in megalopolis by 2030, 70% of 2015, 90% 2018, and 2014. By 2014, more than 5 times the current global gross domestic product is expected to be invested in urban infrastructure. Life expectancy has increased as child mortality continues to decline. Baby born in 2016, for example, can on average expect to live 72 years, so 26 years, one longer than the global average of someone born in 1950s. 10 million Britons, 16% of the population of the United Kingdom, are expected to live 100 or older. Climate change remains a serious concern. United Nations Antonio Guterres, for instance, has described it as an existential threat to humanity. Furthermore, the Holocaust extinction event, the sixth most significant extinction event in the history of the Earth, continues with the widespread degradation of the highly biodiverse habitat as a byproduct of human activities. A map of the uncontacted tribes around the start of the 21st century. Economics, education, and retirement. Economically and politically, the United States and Western Europe were dominant at the beginning of the century. By the 2010, China became an emerging superpower and by some measure of the world's largest economy in the terms of the purchasing power. Partially, India's economy became larger than that of Japan around the year 2011. There is an ongoing impact of technology and employment due to the automation and computerization. The rate at which jobs are disappearing due to the machine replacement them is expected to escalate. Automation alter the number of the jobs and skill demands and industries. As of 2019, the production output of the first world nation manufacturing sector was doubled when compared to 1984 output, but it is now produced with a one-third fewer workers and at significantly reduced operating cost. Half of the all jobs with requirement lower than a bachelor degree are currently in process of being replaced with the partial or a full automation. The World Economic Forum forecast that 65% of the children entering primary school will end up in jobs and careers that currently do not yet exist. A rise in the retirement age has been called for with the view of an increase in the life expectancies and has been put in the place of many jurisdictions.